from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Nissan Micra here on a 2008 plate. Just doing a indicator bulb on this. Basically, it's this one and this one here. I'm going to replace both of them because the color of it, instead of being orange, is slightly white now. It's just basically discolored. The bulb you need is a 581S, which can be found in the description as well. So if you click the link, you know where to get them from. Now to do it, it is a very simple procedure, but what I've got to do, I can't get it through here. So what I need to do is I need to remove the front grille. This little piece here, that comes out with the indicator bulb as well. First thing first, what I'll do, take the clips off. So if I can get a screwdriver in there and gently wiggle. So once I wiggle, take the whole thing out. So that's the clip right here. Now put that clip somewhere safe. Do the same thing again on this one. Wiggle. So try not being too harsh on it, because otherwise it will break. And then the screwdriver on the side. On the side here, if I can put my finger in, as you can see, I just slot my finger in. I gently pull it forward towards me. As you can see now, this come forward, and then I gently pull the whole thing out. Now you can see on the inside here, that's a clip there, that's a clip there, that's a clip there. That's a slot position. So obviously where you can't get it through there, you just have to do it the way this one is just done now. I then undo the plug on the back. Just remember the seal here, so make sure it's always there. If it isn't, get one for it, otherwise you get a lot of water inside. Now if you look at the bulb itself, as you can see, it's all flaky, so the color of the orange is sort of fading away now. I've got a new one already, so that's a new one right here. As you can see, it's nice. And now you can see the line, the pinhole lines are slightly in an angle, as you can see that one there and this one here as well. So this is the right bulb for it. So I slot it in, and then this one would only go one way as well, so just make sure you get that connected right. I'm just going to try to line the holes up. Obviously I'm not looking at it. That's no good, is it? So that's the big part. That's that one there. It goes on the bottom. And then slot it in. Twist it to my right. I then line these up on the inside. If you look on the inside right there. So I line them up through the gap and then push them in. That's all it is. I'll put the clips back on. We're just going to do the other side quickly as well. Clips, always lift the clips up and then slot it in and then push it down. Now we're going to do this one quickly. Same thing again. Gently wiggle. That's out. Do the same on this one as well. Gently wiggle. That's out. I then come around the other side, please. This one exactly the same procedure. So lift it out a little bit, and then all you do, gently, you take the whole thing out, like I said to you. So that's the clips right there. So they slot in the bottom. And then just do the same thing again, replace the bulb. Same thing with this bulb as well. So you can see the colors flaking away. The seal, just remember the seal, do not lose it. I'm just going to grab a bulb. I've got the new bulb now, so I'm going to slot the bulb in. Now like I said to you, the bulb is a 581 bulb, 581S. And that's what you need. Now if for any reason you need to change this, because the lens is broken or whatever, these are the screws right here, so it's easy to do. So I'm going to slot this back in now. There's only one way. Or the highway. Why is this? Okay, right, I was getting it wrong. So yeah, there's only one way it would go. So then to my right again. I then line these up on the inside. Make sure they go through the and then cushion clip. That's it. What I now do is slot the clips back in, push, they are quite brittle, so they do usually break. So if you can get new ones, brilliant. Otherwise, if you can't get a hold of clips from anywhere, just cable tie it, you know, put a cable tie across it. That's it. Right, that's all done. This is a Nissan Micra 2008 plate, front indicator bulb, removing the front grills. It was just a simple job, as you saw yourself. And try not breaking anything, take extra care as well. If there is anything you need to know, drop us a comment below. We do have a playlist for Nissan, for other stuff that we've done on Nissan as well. And we've got a couple of videos on the bulbs, how to replace them. Do check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you. Goodbye.